To access high-performance AI today, many businesses make a dangerous trade. They take their most valuable proprietary data and send it out the door. When you route sensitive internal documents through public APIs, you are essentially renting intelligence. You pay per token, a basic unit of text, like a word or syllable, that the AI processes, while exposing company secrets to third-party servers. This setup is known as Models as a Service, or MaaS. It is a delivery method where external providers host the AI on their hardware, and you access it over the internet. But because that brain lives on someone else's computer, it creates a massive trust gap. A secure enterprise cannot exist if the brain lives outside the body. For AI to be a safe advantage, proprietary data must remain strictly sovereign. This becomes an even bigger issue when we look at Agentic AI. Instead of just generating a chat response, an AI agent is designed to autonomously execute multi-step workflows. But there is a technical roadblock. Large language models are fundamentally stateless. Their entire short-term memory exists inside a context window. A context window is the maximum amount of text the model can process and remember at any one time. Once that window fills up, the agent's memory effectively resets. Without persistent agentic storage, an AI worker gets stuck. If you ask it to cross-reference Q1 financials with real-time global inventory, it might forget the original instructions halfway through the task. To achieve reliable, autonomous workflows without memory loss or data leaks, the entire system, the model, the memory, and the routing, must live inside the company firewall. This diagram shows the sovereign stack, starting with a virtual private cloud. Inside, the organization becomes its own private AI provider. Everything is locked down, ensuring zero data exfiltration. With the vault secured, we drop in the core engine, the ANVEN 3B parameter model. To make a model this powerful fit into a private environment, it goes through a process called quantization. Quantization is a compression technique that reduces the precision of the model's numerical weights, shrinking its overall file size. Because it requires less memory, this highly compressed model runs incredibly fast on a single workstation GPU, or even directly on mobile edge devices. It cuts operational computing costs by up to 60%. By shrinking the architecture without sacrificing accuracy, enterprises gain reasoning power within their own manageable hardware footprint. Next, we solve the memory problem by installing a vector database. A vector database stores information as mathematical representations, allowing the AI to quickly search and retrieve relevant corporate documents. This chart shows how the database powers Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. It acts as a strict guardrail, forcing the AI to search the internal knowledge base first. If data isn't there, the model reports the absence, yielding a knowledge-grounded response that eliminates hallucinations. The final layer is LangChain orchestration. LangChain is an open-source framework that links language models together with external tools and data sources. This orchestration acts as the nervous system. It allows the AI agent to independently execute tasks, query your HR or ERP software, and maintain its state memory, all while ensuring not a single byte of data leaves your network. When you wire the engine, the memory, and the orchestration together, you create a self-contained, autonomous digital workforce. This graphic contrasts legacy systems with the sovereign approach. Generic AI is a probabilistic black box. The ANVEN stack is a structured environment. Organizations are abandoning legacy APIs for deterministic AI architectures, controlling their exact inputs and outputs. By relying on verifiable engineering instead of probabilistic guessing, the system achieves the 95% accuracy rate required for highly sensitive financial and medical analysis. This workflow shows how an IT team can securely authenticate, select the required model, and ingest the architecture straight into their own private servers. Enterprise intelligence has transitioned from an ongoing subscription expense to a permanent digital asset. To see the full architecture or schedule an infrastructure audit, visit Treecapital AI.